In this tutorial, learn how to make these super easy DIY baby leg warmers made from socks. Hi, my name is Anna. Welcome to Fun Sock Creations. These leg warmers are so easy to make. If you'd like the printed directions, go ahead and check out the pattern in the description down below, and I'll break it down for you, and you can do it.
You'll need the following supplies. Head on over to funsockcity.com for all your sock needs, including the ones you'll need for this project. To start off, you're going to turn your socks wrong side out and slide them onto your baby and cut them off to the desired length, a little bit past their feet. If you don't have the baby with you, you can make them about 10 to 12 inches from the top of the sock. Then create your desired finished length by rolling up the bottom of the sock. If you have help and want to create a tapered look, have one person hold the baby's foot while you put a needle in there. If you don't have help, just mark where you're going to create the taper to and then match that on the other side. Slide the socks off and then sew that seam around at the base of the leg. Then if you want to create the taper, taper at an angle as shown in this picture above. Cut off any of the loose fabric so that baby's toes don't get caught in it, and then slide them on and you are all done. That's with the tapered look right there. And then these ones are untapered. They create more of a pant look. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.
Isn't that so nice and easy? I've got the socks that I used linked in the description below, but also feel free to look all over the website. There's tons of cute options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out this video here that YouTube thinks you like, and here's one that I think you'll enjoy. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Goodbye.